How to turn off screen time password on iPhone. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be explaining to you how you can turn off screen time password on your iPhone. It is a very simple and easy process, so just follow along. Firstly, open settings on your device. In settings, scroll down and go to this section. Now here you will see the option screen time under the option focus. If you cannot find this option, then simply go to the search bar on the very top and search for screen time. Click on screen time to open it. Now scroll down to the bottom and select change screen time password. Here you will clearly see the option turn off screen time passcode. Tap on the turn off option. Now you will need to enter your current screen time passcode for verification. But after you type in your current screen time passcode, your passcode will be turned off. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.